Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make healthy pesto sauce. We'll start with the essential ingredients that form the heart of any great pesto. Choosing fresh, vibrant basil is key, as it provides the primary flavor. High-quality extra virgin olive oil is crucial for a smooth texture and rich taste. Don't forget the pine nuts for that classic creaminess, and a few cloves of garlic to add a wonderful aromatic depth. Let's get blending. To make your pesto even healthier, consider incorporating some leafy greens like spinach or kale. They blend in beautifully and boost nutrients. You can also swap out some of the traditional pine nuts for walnuts or almonds, which offer different healthy fats. For a cheesy flavor without dairy, try adding a tablespoon of nutritional yeast. A small squeeze of fresh lemon juice will brighten all the flavors, making your pesto truly pop. Achieving the perfect pesto consistency is simple with the right technique. Whether you're using a food processor or a traditional mortar and pestle, the key is to add your olive oil gradually. This allows you to control the texture, ensuring it's smooth but not overly oily. Pulse your ingredients rather than continuously blending to avoid overprocessing, which can make the basil bitter. Finally, taste and adjust your seasoning with a pinch of salt and freshly ground pepper. Once your delicious, healthy pesto is ready, proper storage ensures it stays fresh. Keep it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. For extended freshness, pour a thin layer of olive oil over the surface before sealing. For longer-term storage, you can freeze pesto in ice cube trays, then transfer the cubes to a freezer bag. Enjoy your homemade pesto with pasta, spread it on sandwiches, or use it as a vibrant dip for vegetables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.